everyone, in this video we are going to discuss some more concept of exercise 1.4 and we will also do some questions. Okay, let's take first definition, which is disjoint sets. If A and B are two sets such that A intersection B is equals to 5. Okay, you know that what is intersection. If we have two sets A and B, intersection contains those elements which contained in A also and which contained in B also. Okay, if this is 5, then these two sets are called disjoint sets. Okay, let's take this example. If this is a universal set and A set contains first 4 even numbers and B set contains first 4 odd numbers. Okay, you know that there is no point common in even numbers and odd numbers. So here A intersection B is equals to 5. So A and B are disjoint sets. These are disjoint sets. Also in English alphabet, if we take a set A as set of all vowels, and we take set B, which is set of all consonants, Okay, you know that vowels are A, E, I, O, U and consonants are all the other alphabets except vowels. Okay, so there will be no element common. So A and B are disjoint here because A intersection B is equals to 5. So A and B are disjoint. These are disjoint sets. Definition is difference of sets. Let A and B be two given sets. If we have two sets A and B, then the difference between A and B is the set of those elements which are in A but not in B. Okay, so we will denote it as A minus B and read it as A difference B. Okay, this symbol is denoted as A difference B. Okay, so mathematically we can write it as A minus B is equals to those X which are in A but not in B. Okay, similarly B minus A is those X, means those elements of B which are not in A. Okay, let's take some example. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means first 4 natural numbers, and B is equals to 2, 4 means 2 even numbers, first 2 even numbers. Okay, if we have to find the difference between A and B, so what will be the A difference B? This will contain those elements of A which are not in B. So these will be, here 2 is here, 4 is here, so these elements will excluded. Okay, so A difference B contain 1, 3, 5. So this will be the answer. Okay, so what about B minus A? B minus A will contain those elements which are in B but not in A. But this is a small set, and if we talk about 2, 2 is already in A, 4 is already in A also. So B difference A is equals to 5 because this will contain no element. Okay, so let's discuss about the Venn diagram of this. Okay, how you can diagrammatically represent this difference. Okay, so if we have this universal set and this is a set A, this is a set B. Okay, so how you will represent A minus B means how you will represent A difference B. This will contain those elements of A, all the elements of A but which are not in B. Okay, so this will be the A minus B. Okay, this whole will be A minus A difference B. Okay, and this will represent those elements, all the elements of B which are not in A. Okay, so this will denote B difference A. Okay, so what is this? This is A intersection B. Okay, so here you can also use the definition of disjoint sets. Okay, you can easily observe that if we take intersection of A difference B and A intersection B and B difference A. Okay, if we take the intersection of all the three sets, you can easily observe that this is some different set, this is some different set, and this is other set. Okay, let's denote it by this. Okay, so there is no point, no element common, so these three are disjoint sets, because disjoint set are those sets whose intersection is empty. Now let's discuss about question number 7, which is let A is equals to those elements which are natural numbers, B contains those x which are even natural numbers, and C those elements which are odd natural numbers, and D those x which are prime numbers. Okay, you know that this is a set builder form and we can build a set by using this. You can check the previous videos, we have already explained all the concepts of this chapter. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. So this will be A set. All the even natural numbers, this will be set B, and all the odd natural numbers, this will be set C, and all the prime numbers, this will be set D. You all know that how you can build a roster form by using a set builder form. Okay. So first of all, we have to find A intersection B. Okay. So what is A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Intersection with B. B is set of all even natural numbers. Okay. So we have to find the intersection. Intersection means those elements which are both in A and B. Okay. So 1, 3, 5, these are odd numbers, but here we have all the even numbers. So intersection will contain all the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. So what is this set? This set is set B. So A intersection B is equals to B. Okay. So A intersection B is equals to B. This is our first answer. Okay. What about this one? Okay, A intersection C. A intersection C is equals to A is all the natural numbers. Okay, and C is all the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. So what will be the intersection? Similarly, as the previous part, this is containing all the odd numbers and these are all natural numbers. So in common we have all the odd numbers 1, 3, 5 up to so on. What is this set? This set is set C. So we have A intersection C is equals to C. Okay. What about A intersection D? A is set of all natural numbers. Okay. And D is set of all prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on. Okay. So also in this intersection you will get all the prime numbers, because all the prime numbers are natural numbers but not all the natural numbers are prime numbers. So this will be the intersection 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 up to so on. Okay. So this is a set D. So again we get A intersection D is equals to D. This is a third part. Now we will discuss about fourth part, which is B intersection C. B is 2, 4, 6, all the even numbers, and C is all the odd numbers. So we all know that, in intersection we will get no element, because even number are 2, 4, 6, 8 and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 6, which are not multiple of 2. Okay. So in intersection we will get no element, that means we will write 5. Okay. So B intersection C is equals to 5. What about B intersection D? B is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on, and D is 2, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. So in the intersection we will get only 2. because 4, 6, 8, these are not the prime numbers. Here we have all the even numbers and here we have all the prime numbers. Okay, but 2 is the only prime number which is even. Okay, here we have all the even numbers. So in the intersection we have only 2. Okay, so what about C intersection D? C contains all the odd numbers. Okay, and D contains all the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. So in the intersection we have 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to so on. Let's discuss about question number 8, which is which of the following pair of sets are disjoint. Okay, disjoint means intersection is 5. Okay, A and B are said to be disjoint if their intersection have no element, means no common element. Okay, so we will discuss about part 1. Here A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equals to set is those element which is natural number and lies between 4 and 6. Sign will. Okay, so here A and B are disjoint sets. So in this video we have discussed about question number 7 and 8. In the next video we will discuss more questions of exercise 1.4. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.